Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about intermittent fasting, a popular weight loss technique that has been making waves in the health and fitness world. Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating that alternates between periods of fasting and eating. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat, and it has been shown to help people lose weight and improve their overall health. In this video, we are going to dive deep into intermittent fasting, understand how it works, its benefits, and how you can get started with it. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss any of my videos. Let's dive in. Intermittent fasting is a type of diet that involves alternating between periods of fasting and eating. It's not a diet that restricts what you eat, but rather when you eat. There are several intermittent fasting methods, but the most popular ones include: first, the 16/8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. Second, the 5:2 method. This involves eating normally for 5 days and reducing your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for remaining 2 days. Third, alternate day fasting. This involves fasting for 1 day and eating normally the next day. The idea behind intermittent fasting is to reduce your overall calorie intake and allow your body to burn fat for energy instead of relying on the food you eat. By reducing your calorie intake, you can create calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Intermittent fasting works by reducing your overall calorie intake and altering your body's metabolism. When you eat, your body uses glucose as its primary source of energy. Glucose is stored in your liver and muscles as glycogen, and when you run out of glycogen, your body starts to burn fat for energy. During a fast, your body burns through its glycogen stores, and when they are depleted, your body starts to burn fat for energy. This is why intermittent fasting can help you lose weight and reduce body fat. Intermittent fasting also has several other benefits for your health, including: first, improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Second, increased growth hormone levels. Intermittent fasting has been shown to increase growth hormone levels, which can help improve muscle mass, reduce body fat, and increase energy levels. Third, improved brain function. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve brain functions, including increased focus, concentration, and memory. Fourth, reduced inflammation. It has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a contributing factor to many chronic diseases. Starting intermittent fasting can seem intimidating, but with a little preparation and planning, it can be a straightforward process. Here are some tips to help you get started. First, choose the right method. Choose a method that works best for you and your lifestyle and schedule. If you are new to intermittent fasting, start with the 16/8 method and gradually work your way up to more advanced methods. Gradually increase your fasting periods. If you are new to intermittent fasting, start with a shorter period such as 12 hours and gradually increase it to 16 hours or more. Plan your meals. Make sure to plan your meals around your fasting periods and try to eat healthy, nutritious food during your eating periods. Stay hydrated. Make sure to drink plenty of water during your fasting periods to help your body dehydrated and reduce hunger. Listen to your body. Intermittent fasting is not for everyone, and it's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. If you feel lightheaded, fatigued, or have trouble concentrating, you may need to reduce your fasting periods. Intermittent fasting has been shown to be effective for weight loss, and many people have reported losing weight and reducing body fat by following this diet. The key to success weight loss with intermittent fasting is to stick to the plan and create calorie deficit. By reducing your overall calorie intake, intermittent fasting can help you lose weight and reduce body fat. It is important to remember that weight loss is a gradual process, and that you should be patient and consistent in your efforts. In conclusion, intermittent fasting is a popular weight loss technique that has been shown to be effective for weight loss and improving overall health. By reducing your overall calorie intake and alternating between periods of fasting and eating, intermittent fasting can help you lose weight, reduce body fat, and improve your health. Thank you for watching this video on intermittent fasting. I hope this video has helped you understand the benefits and how to get started with intermittent fasting. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with intermittent fasting, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Take care and see you in the next video.